In today's video, I'm going to teach you getting started with Confluence for your team. We'll walk through the essentials so you can set up a clear, collaborative workspace without feeling overwhelmed. Let's begin by opening Confluence and logging into your workspace. Think of your workspace as your organization's home base. Once you're in, take a moment to notice the navigation on the left and the search bar at the top. These will be your best friends as your content grows. If you use Confluence often, bookmarking your workspace can save time. Next, choose or create a space for your team or project. A space is a dedicated container where related pages live together. If your team already has a space, open it and review its homepage to understand the structure. If you're starting fresh, create a new space, give it a clear descriptive name, and add a short summary so everyone knows what belongs there. A well-named space helps teammates quickly find the right information. Now, start creating pages to store notes, documents, plans, or guides. Click to create a page and give it a straightforward title that matches the content. Organize pages into a simple hierarchy, like a main page for a project with child pages for requirements, meeting notes, and decisions. Confluence also offers templates for common needs, such as retrospectives or project plans, which can speed up your setup and keep formatting consistent. Use headings, tables, images, and macros to organize content so it's easy to scan. Break long pages into sections with clear headings, and use tables to track items like tasks, owners, and due dates. Add images or screenshots to make instructions clearer. Macros are powerful add-ons. For example, a table of contents macro can automatically list your headings, and a status macro can show progress at a glance. Keep formatting purposeful so the page remains readable. When you're ready, share pages with teammates. Use the share button or copy the page link to send it directly. You can also add people as watchers so they get notified when updates happen, which is helpful for critical documents. To collaborate, use comments, mentions, and tasks. Leave page comments for general feedback and inline comments to call out a specific sentence or table cell. Mention teammates with the @ symbol to notify them and assign tasks right in the page so owners and due dates are clear and visible to everyone. Finally, keep pages updated so Confluence stays useful. Review important content regularly, refine titles and sections as things evolve, and add a brief edit summary so teammates know what changed. With steady upkeep, your Confluence space becomes a reliable source of truth for your team.